up, y'all? It's me, TaraJay, back again with another one, and today I am going to be doing some packaging. I'm excited. I've been waiting like a week and a half for my shoes to come. Then they was at the post office for about 5 days. Ugh. Finally, I'm geeked. Hope y'all geeked too, because we're gonna see my new boots. Y'all know it's wintertime, Chicago. Bundle up. Okay, let's check it out. So apparently I was already thirsty, so I opened up the packaging already. Thirst, right? Here is what the box looked like. Super duper cute. Pink. Straight up the name. Shoe Dazzle. Here's a little small piece on the side too. It goes all around. Super cute site. Make sure you guys get a membership because you may have credits. I literally paid, because I had a credit on there, I literally paid about $6, and that probably was for the shipping. I don't know, but it was $6, and I'm geeked. So let's open it up. Don't forget to keep track of my picture posting. I will definitely be posting pictures this weekend with the new boots on, telling you guys what I think. So follow my social medias, okay? My personal Instagram will be listed right here. Wait, not yet. Right here now, okay? My art page, that's something you want to follow because my art is amazing. My Twitter, because I talk shit all day long, okay? Sometimes I'm posting some great stuff, great inspiration, but all the time, you'll get some great laughs, okay? My personal Instagram, my art page, my Twitter. Check me out. Boots. It's like Christmas. Opening up your Christmas gift, throwing the wrapping everywhere. Oh. And my other boot is here. So let's open it up some more and see what the boots look like. I did get some over the knee boots. They have a cute little strap in the back. It's pretty simple, you know, just for the fall, Chicago winter. Not the snow though. Just the, you know, something stylish. Let's see what it looks like on me. These are so cute. I love it. Super cute. Super cute. Those were my boots. I'm excited. I'll probably wear them tomorrow. Probably so. But yeah, that's it. Opening up the box for Shoe Dazzle. Those shoes are amazing. Go to their website. It's right here. Get your membership. Do a monthly payment, but you also can skip the month if you don't want to buy no shoes that month. Girl, get them. Okay? I'm out. That's what I got for today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment below. Let me know what you think about my boots. Let me know if you check the website out. Show me the shoes that you got, girl. Okay? I'm out. Peace.